Let us suppose we have taken a very long trade, and not even a long trade, we have taken a trade on a long time frame, and now we came on a small time frame while we are monitoring it. Our trade is going good, good profit, but we need to decrease our losses also, right? The stop loss, like in this area, long trades are taken, we entered, let us suppose here, this is the stop loss, and the market is moving up. It moved up and came here. Then as soon as we see the major support created, we should close this stop loss and put our entry at this place. This is known as trailing your stop loss, so that you remove your risk factor completely after some time until your TP is hit, correct? So okay, we made this a stop loss as a new trailing stop loss, and then once market made another support at a major high, we removed this also, and we created this as our final trailing stop loss. Once our TP is hit, we are relaxed, we trade the close. Now what help do we get with this is, even if the market at certain point comes down, we will cover all this profit if our trailing stop loss is getting followed from this place, correct? So that's why trailing stop loss is very important. You should not start trading along with trailing stop loss before those 3 months. For 3 months, stick to the basic level of trading, stick to the way of patterns that I have showed you, trade in that way only. Once after 3 months you gain that confidence in yourself, then we will do with the trading stop loss. Let's have a look on the bearish trade as well. This is the bearish momentum. We entered here. As soon as we got the first resistance, we canceled the first stop loss and we made this as the stop loss. Market came down again, another resistance is noticed, we closed this stop loss and came down to this entry level. I mean, we are just decreasing the stop loss continuously, and here also we did the same thing. We reduced our stop loss to this level, price level, whatever the price level is. Maybe the TP is here. Once the TP is hit, we're good. Even if the TP does not hit and the market goes back from here, at least we will cover all of this profit in the movement, correct? That's how trading stop loss is done, and that's how it is important for us to notice it. Okay.